Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel, Glam Girl. To make a rice, aloe vera, and yogurt mask for glass skin. Blend cooked rice into a fine powder, mix it with aloe vera gel and yogurt to form a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face. Leaving it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, the rice acts as an exfoliant, aloe vera soothes, and yogurt provides a no. Exfoliation rice removes dead skin cells. For a smoother complexion, soothing properties aloe vera reduces inflammation and redness, providing a calming effect. Hydration yogurt moisturizes the skin, maintaining suppleness and preventing dryness, brightening. Effect contributes to a brighter N. Considerations: skin sensitivity. Some individuals may have sensitive skin, and daily exfoliation could lead to irritation. Monitor your skin's response and adjust the frequency accordingly. Overexfoliation. Daily exfoliation may lead to overexfoliation, causing dryness or sensitivity. It's crucial to strike a balance. Always listen to your skin and adjust your skincare routine based on its needs. If you notice any adverse reactions, reduce the frequency of use or consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice. Remember to patch test before applying the mask to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions, and use it regularly for sustained benefits. Please subscribe.